English 6, Connotative and Denotative Meaning of Words. Good day, Grade 6 learners. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the denotative and connotative meanings of words. Words are very powerful. Sometimes, two words may have almost the same dictionary meaning, but they can make us feel differently. Some words sound polite, positive, and respectful. Other words may sound negative, insulting, or unpleasant. That is why we need to be careful in choosing the words we use when speaking and writing. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify the denotative and connotative meaning of words, explain how word choice affects meaning, and use words appropriately in sentences. What is denotation? Let us begin with denotation. Denotation is the literal or dictionary meaning of a word. It is the exact meaning of the word, without any hidden feeling or emotion. For example, the word blue can mean a color. When we say, "The sky is blue," we are using the word blue in its denotative meaning because we are talking about the actual color. Another example is the word snake. Its denotative meaning is a long reptile with no legs. When we say, "I saw a snake in the grass," we mean a real animal. That is denotation. So, remember, denotation equals direct, literal, dictionary meaning. What is connotation? Now, let us talk about connotation. Connotation is the emotional, suggested, or implied meaning of a word. It is the feeling or idea connected to the word beyond its dictionary meaning. For example, the word blue can also mean sad. When we say, "I feel blue today," we do not mean that our body became the color blue. It means we feel sad. This is the connotative meaning. Another example is the word snake. If someone says, "She is the snake in our group," it does not mean that the person is literally a reptile. It means the person may be dishonest or untrustworthy. That is connotation. So, remember, connotation equals feeling, emotion, or hidden meaning.